#2 Reverse Aging Cycling for medium results. This is the second video on riding indoors. This one is for medium results. In this one, things are toned down somewhat, but we will still focus on fat loss, energy, a stronger heart, and sustainable fitness. This is for consistent exercisers who want noticeable results without extremes. We will still focus on using your heart rate to determine whether you are getting the job done. However, we will tone it down somewhat. How to find your target heart rate for moderate exercisers. Start with this simple formula. 220 minus your age equals your estimated maximum heart rate. Example, 265 beats per minute BPM. So, 155 BPM is the estimated maximum heart rate. You don't want to work out at your maximum heart rate. Next, factor in your fitness level. If you work out 2 or 3 times a week, we'll use a moderate workout heart rate of about 70% of your maximum heart rate, 155 BPM, which gives you a target workout heart rate of 108 BPM. Important note, there is no single magic heart rate number. Factors like your resting heart rate, medications, and overall fitness all play a role in determining your target workout heart rate. A good rule of thumb.
You should be working hard enough to raise your heart rate, but still be able to carry on a conversation. If you find yourself gasping for air at 108 BPM, then drop it down to 98 BPM.
Recommended, be sure to check with your healthcare provider about your heart fitness. When in doubt, they might even give you a stress test where they put you on a treadmill or an indoor bike and monitor your heart while you're working out. Importance of keeping your heart strong. Your heart is the only muscle you can't take a day off from, so why not train it to work better, not harder? After 60, the heart naturally loses efficiency if it's not challenged. The good news? It responds beautifully to the right kind of movement. A heart workout isn't about punishing cardio, it's about reminding your heart how to pump vigorously, deliver oxygen efficiently, and support your brain, balance, and energy. Take a brisk 20-minute walk that slightly elevates your heart rate, or an easy cycling session where you can still talk but feel warm. Do this regularly, and resting heart rate often drops, stamina improves, and everyday tasks feel easier. A trained heart means more independence, better mood, sharper thinking, and fewer health scares. Action steps. Aim for 20-30 minutes, 4 or 5 days a week.
Work at a can talk, not sing pace.
Mix walking, cycling, swimming, or dancing. Next up, beginning or restarting indoor workout. Subscribe.